Today we're making chicken, and we're not making just any old regular chicken. We're making chicken with a beer can in it. Every day, cooking, Dad, cooking every day. All right, welcome in, welcome back. We got our Traeger chicken rub. Then we got our garlic, herb, and seasoning, and we got our beer, and we got our chicken. I'm using this little beer can holder that I found on Amazon. This way I don't have to worry about it, because I usually buy bottles of beer. So this works. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and clean this chicken up a little bit. Now I've already washed it up really good. So now I'm just gonna get the rest of the feathers off of there. And they're little tiny things. It's kind of hard just to pull off with your hand. So I got this little torch. Get the little tiny hairs off. It's fast, it's easy. All right, so now once we've got that all cleaned up, we'll move on to the next stage, and that's go ahead and remove some fat from this chicken. So guys, I'm gonna be doing 7 days of chicken. So this is day number 1, beer can chicken. And I wanna see if my daughter by the end of it is gonna say, we're gonna have chicken again. I can eat chicken every single day. All right, so we got this fat removed. You know, you don't want to eat anybody else's fat, so just get rid of that. There's nothing on the inside, so we're gonna go ahead and get some seasoning down inside the bird. So I'm just gonna use the garlic and herb for that. Just get it everywhere. Doesn't have to be perfect, just get it in there. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the Traeger chicken rub. It's the first time I'm using this. It smells really good. So if I wasn't using this Traeger chicken rub, I'd probably throw together a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, teaspoon of paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and then rub that all over the chicken. But today we're using the chicken rub from Traeger, and it smells pretty good. All right, so we're gonna let this sit and adhere to the chicken while we go outside and get the Traeger ready. All right, the Traeger's done. So you can see the chicken is still, you know, it's moist. So I'm just gonna hit it up a little bit more with this chicken rub. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some garlic herb seasoning. Just a little bit on top. Just a little layer of flavor. Hopefully this combination works out. It's the first time I'm using it. Guys gotta experiment. And guys, this chicken, this is easy. You know, you season it up on the outside, take your Traeger, put a little beer in the beer can, and throw this outside for like about an hour and a half. And yo, you'll knock them dead. Knock them out, I'm telling you. All right, see, now I'm a bottled beer drinker. So this little beer can thing is working out good for me because I'm more of a bottled beer drinker. Or you know what, guys? In the comment, let me know if you're a bottled beer drinker or a canned beer drinker, because I think beer tastes way better out of a bottle than it does in a can. But here's our chicken, and it's ready for the grill. All right, our grill is heated up to 350 degrees, and we're going in with our baby. We're going in with our chicken, and we're gonna see this in probably about an hour and 20 minutes. All right, so we do have our temperature probe so we can get the internal temperature of the chicken. So we're gonna go ahead and set the grill to 170, 175. We'll make it 175. All right, hit confirm. All right, you see there it says 42 degrees. All right, so it's been about an hour and 20 minutes. And this is the big reveal, guys. Now, it's not done. We're coming in probably like around 160, but I had to get in there and take a look. Guys, it's not looking bad. All right, so we're gonna close this back down before we lose all our heat. All right, it's been about 20 minutes now. Look at this. Look at all that juices down there. It wasn't there before. All right, so we're just gonna double check, and we're gonna probe the chicken. And we're coming in like around 180. That's not bad. I like it right there. I know a lot of times you hear people say 165, but I like my breasts around like 175, and my chicken thighs and legs around 180. But look at all that beer. And guys, it smells like beer. Once I remove that beer can, it smells really good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and then slice this chicken up. Now we did let it sit for about 15 minutes or so. All right, guys, this is really juicy. I mean, this chicken is just falling apart. I mean, I'm happy with this. This is really good. I'm gonna go ahead and take the breast off the bone. Guys, this is a no-brainer cook. I mean, it's so easy. You just season up your chicken the way you like it. Throw that beer can inside of it. Put it on the grill for about an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes, 350. And this is what you got. Delicious chicken. And you can pair this up with just about anything. Woo! Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Check out the next chicken video we got going.